In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily export contacts from Gmail to your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to head over to any web browser. I'm gonna use Safari. And then we need to go to contacts.google.com. First off, guys, you need to sign into your Gmail account here. I've already done that, and it shows me all the contacts here. The website is in Russian language, but don't worry, the interface is similar in any languages. So guys, first off, we need to select contacts we would like to export. To select a contact, tap on it once, it will show you that checkbox, and then just select a contact you would like to export. In the same way, we can select multiple contacts, and then to continue, we need to tap at three dots, then tap at export, and that's where we can select which contacts we would like to export. It says selected contacts. However, down below we can select my contacts or all the contacts. I'm gonna select just one particular contact, and in here we need to select vCard. In English it is also called vCard. Then to continue, tap and export, and after that we'll be able to create new contact or add to existing contact. It says here because I've already got the contact with such name. We can easily create new contact, we can add another name to that contact, and then to save it just hit at done, and then done again. That's how you can easily export contacts from Gmail to your iPhone. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.